Sometimes we find that we have duplicate accounts in our chart of accounts. To correct this, QuickBooks lets us merge accounts together. Before merging, it's important to note that the two accounts that you'd like to merge must have the same type and detail type. After making sure they have the correct type and detail type, you can change the name of the account that you would like to remove from the chart of accounts and change it to the name of the account that you would like to keep. Let's take a look at how this works. You'll notice that I have an insurance account in QuickBooks and an insurance expense account. Let's suppose I want to remove insurance expense and merge it into insurance. Click the Edit option next to insurance expense. Now we simply change the name of the account to reflect the exact same spelling as the account that we want to keep. You can leave all of the other information as it is. Now click Save and Close. QuickBooks gives us a warning. It tells us that this name is already being used, and it asks us, would you like to merge the two? We'll click Yes, and QuickBooks now merges the two accounts. Let's review as we scroll down the result of our merging function. Now we can see that we have insurance, insurance disability, insurance liability, but you'll notice that the insurance expense account is gone. It has been merged with insurance. It's important to note that QuickBooks keeps the insurance name, but it keeps the transaction history from both accounts. You can merge accounts, suppliers, and customers when needed. It's a good idea to review the name lists on occasion and clean up any duplicates using the Merge feature in QuickBooks.